Yesterday's trading activity was subdued due to Independence Day celebrations in the United States and the lack of important news releases. Against this background, the euro remained range-bound. Apparently, its further direction will depend on today's statistics. On Wednesday, the macroeconomic calendar is full of crucial reports, including data on services activity in the euro area and its member states. Overall, indicators are forecast to be rather gloomy. More specifically, activity in France's dominant service sector, as in the manufacturing one, is losing steam. Germany's services industry is stressed but staying afloat, which allows the composite PMI to remain above the 50 reading. Services activity in the euro area is also in decline, with the services PMI standing at 52.4, while the composite index covering both manufacturing and services sectors is at 50.3, balancing on the verge of contraction. Whereas shrinking factory and services activity is a harbinger of a looming recession, at least this suggests a possible economic slowdown in 2024. Besides, traders may take notice of data on Eurozone producer prices. The focus will be on the minutes from the latest FOMC meeting. Notably, the regulator kept interest rates unchanged at its June meeting. However, since then, much has changed. The US released bleak economic data and its first quarter GDP was revised upwards. All this indicates that the US economy is quite resilient. Given that inflation remains above the Fed's 2% target, the central bank will most likely keep lifting interest rates. Thus, the June meeting minutes will hardly have a severe impact on market sentiment, but just cause a short-lived spike in volatility. And now let's move on to technical analysis. The 1-hour Euro-American dollar chart shows that the level of 1.0861 acts as support. A false breakout at this level will make it possible to go short. Alternatively, traders may consider long positions on a rebound at 1.0837, counting on an intraday correction of 25-30 pips. If the euro jumps following upbeat data on Eurozone services activity, bears will probably try to regain control of the market at 1.0897. A false breakout at this mark will create a sell signal, thus dragging the price down to 1.0875 and 1.0860. If the price consolidates above 1.0897, it would be a wise decision to buy the euro in the hope of a rise to 1.0933. At this level, I recommend going short on a rebound to catch an intraday correction of 25-30 pips. Meanwhile, the British pound has hit a new one-week high. Now bulls need to protect their 1.2698 level following statistics on services activity. The UK services PMI final estimate for June is 53.7, down from 55.2 in May 2023. If the indicator is below analysts' estimates, sterling may come under pressure again. If the price forms a false breakout at 1.2698, a strong buy signal will be generated. In this case, the British currency is expected to advance to 1.2735. If the price stays firm above this level, it will most likely climb to 1.2770. At this mark, traders are recommended to go short on a rebound, counting on an intraday correction of 25-30 pips. Short positions can also be considered at 1.2735 if the price fails to consolidate above the one-week high. In the event of downbeat data from the UK, the price may break below 1.2698 and test it from the bottom up, thus allowing sellers to bring the price down to 1.2659. In this situation, the pound-dollar pair will remain range-bound, with the 1.2698 mark serving as the middle of the range. At the level of 1.2659, traders may go long on a rebound to catch an intraday correction of 25-30 pips. Good luck!